Walmart benefits only work if you actually turn them on inside the app. And a lot of users miss features like free delivery access and member pricing just because they never explore the full membership screen. By the end of this, you'll know every major Walmart benefit, where it lives in the app, and how to check if you're actually getting everything you're paying for. Start with the main benefit people join for: free delivery. Walmart members can get groceries and everyday items delivered from Walmart stores without paying per delivery fees, as long as the order meets Walmart's delivery rules shown at checkout. The key detail is that it only applies when you shop through your Walmart account and select eligible delivery options. Next is member pricing on fuel. Walmart connects to partner fuel stations where members can get a discounted price per gallon at the pump. You don't get this automatically at any gas station, so you need to activate it in the Walmart app before filling up. Another major benefit is scan and go inside stores. This lets you scan items with your phone while shopping and pay through the app instead of waiting in line. It only works in participating Walmart locations, and you'll see the option when you enter the store section in the app. There's also early access to deals. Walmart members sometimes get early entry to limited promotions or seasonal drops. This isn't a daily discount feature, but it can matter during high-demand sales periods when items sell out quickly. A lot of users miss the Walmart dashboard itself. Inside the app, there's a dedicated membership section that shows every active perk tied to your account. If something isn't working, that's the first place to check because it also shows whether your membership is active and properly linked. If a benefit isn't showing up, it usually comes down to account mismatch or not activating the feature inside the app. Most Walmart perks are not automatic until you enable them once. To check everything, open the Walmart app, go to your account, then tap Walmart. That screen is the control center for every benefit tied to your membership. To wrap it up, Walmart includes delivery perks, fuel savings, in-store scanning, and deal access, but most of it only works when activated in your account. The app dashboard is where you verify everything is actually turned on. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.